Hello and welcome guys, this is Platinum Trick and the channel owner's name is Mr. Bunga Bunga Trick, and if you guys still don't subscribe to this channel, just go ahead and click on the subscription below, and today we are going to announce the result of Marpoon in Bell. So I would like to call upon the studio the winner Mr. Lalsandam Kozol from Battle, and to hand over the prizes I would like to request Mr. Bunga to come over the studio too and please hand it over the prize, and also I would like to take a short interview from the owner. Okay. Beautiful life. So Mr. Millennium he chân chin in free time to kan mo marpun the contest in free time to kan intira milo pucha renga nang
he contest kan shi dan thok kan tia le kan shi de enroll kan pictures hai submitting and tia kan pictures hai dan kan la kan pictures la na kom set na tam da kan tu ka attract pole kan video la so na he vote zong la kom ni rule pai lo shi da rule pai hai share rule pai nu me hai ngai zong hai vote teroi ti pe ya chune sung khodang da ngai kom ne vote chen an vote na zarin
Okay, really, that is a very nice story that you have been preparing for, taking your full energy. Hi loman rat nge dingin ilon pu chana sa le ano ale vo zong ting pang haning tinam harsat na damin tu ka ano le feedbacks ni hai and tokin imani hing tula chu in rita hi contest ya common ta ri in share milo what pe ro lungun si tang tirur ka a chen tu feedbacks negative de feedbacks da me hunda ka khang ting mo zong khan ikam feedbacks in hunda hai
tuần hình thức hay à aman umai senga ai thok man na tu hina an low votes an low sa le from poi se senga an votes no ka tuna an votes mi a vote an low sa le nom len sa no ka chu an chunga ka phot ni sina kan ai ni kan ashil ka chu ai sina na ka le kan ai shila mi ai rule tra ti ning man ai ni ai ngai pui deu ai mi shi hai chu votes kan tla mok tan ti le from ai len hal pu ya in le thot thot ding ai ti ya lain to kom kan tuan a votes num no hai ka chu an votes no ka chu ni to vote tla no ka chu ni to ka ta ka kha ai ni ai bui phang a low votes vote low tla hai po an to kom sha no che chang phang thai thawa chu ne
lo cũng le a in lo man dong hi in shot na hi poi sa sum khlong te ni sin la om hi im ti ding hi ngang platform a ding hin chu ama kom ni sin la aboi khat lo man dong na nia in tiram in feel re nga tu hin like how do you exactly feel after winning this contest?
We felt good, not only good, it's great. Like it's not normally like we don't have this in our everyday life. Like winning is a thing, but losing is also a thing, but it's a sideline. So suppose winner and loser are not same, so be the winning one, it feels great.
Definitely, that's a very positive thought, and I really appreciate on behalf of the channel and also participating in this contest. So I would like to take a short bio of the winner, Mr. Lalsandam. I have heard that this boy has been, growing up not on the arms of his mother. So I would like to take a short, brief story about him.
At Maya, Saridani Anila in a Nuna Bosana, Kaka Anu Bosan Dunkan Kenya, Apile Pu, Le Asum Dangan Encola. Tuna Anu Nene Dile, Anu Nene and Tokomin do the Halo Yamaka. So like some person to that in cat do it. Bong good communal lectures in behind company factor ka afang tunai kom chun in sung har setting chun ko sak na har sa and so kom to comment ai thein a har se te ni like ai har se lai kom ka chu adu chu far sa til po po an to aya ma sa ta kan si ka ta chu a hun chang li no kom yen na har se na tam to ka kom tu kum thum le chen no bawina pathi na mi thui fu ke le pathi ku ma lom thu kan shul ta ka se ta kan ni tin na trong trai na kom chu kan shul sa ka chun hi pathi zai lo man la thya kan le kom kan lo bo kan
Lo tak zeta chu an no la tu hin hi channel ta ding an no la message chi mani feel num da mani ama inspired to inspire someone.
The channel which is named Bunga have been doing a great job, not only for people outside, like from the people within. Like he helping growing up little kids, like like him, the person who won just now, don't even know how to pose for a picture. But from this contest, he start learning this. So it's very helpful for children also. So like whoever did not subscribe this channel, I plead you to please subscribe this channel.
Okay, that's a very good message. And what about the voters? Would you like to appreciate to the voters, and you would like to give any thanks to your supporter?
Yeah, obviously. I will heartily thanks all the person who has voted for us. Like from the smallest to the biggest, you are a fan. Thank you all.
Okay, that's a very thankful stories from the winner. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you still like the video, and if you have anything to say, just feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, and also share this channel. Bye bye. Welcome guys. Very soon din Rizal ay kung yan ya channel ini cut. So now I would like to go to his studio.
Thằng ngộ à? Phiền tay khi thì thằng lặng mình chờ nó.
Rồi mà nó đó.
Kapag sila.
Chứ bây giờ đấy.
Nó gọi. Văn rồi.
Si Pai.
Em nó
On behalf of Stephen, sorry. Hindi sa ko may fear kung kan sa ông mong ngọc kan wali. Mà cho nên na
Chọc quần mà.
Alonso.
Câu vâng vâng.
mobile lo.
Itu kan kita win.
Nó hay sẽ nói tất cả
Channel. Bye bye.